Hey guys, I've got 2 words for you today. Korean pizza. I'm at Mr. Pizza here in Little Tokyo, and I promise you've never seen anything like this before. Their top 3 signature pizzas: broccoli mousse with Korean bulgogi, egg tart with camembert and top sirloin, and on the crust you have egg tart. And here we have the sweet potato gold, which has a sweet potato mousse crust. Pizzas here at Mr. Pizza are baked on a grill instead of in a pan, so they're less greasy than your average pie. For more foodie videos about LA, check out empress.la. Bye!